Hey there, homeowners. Ready to maximize your space with a Murphy bed? Let's get started. I'll guide you through installing one in just 5 simple steps. Step 1. Gather your tools and materials. You'll need a drill, screws, a stud finder, level, and of course, your Murphy bed kit. Make sure you have everything ready before starting. Next, step 2. Find the perfect spot. Use your stud finder to locate the wall studs. Mark them clearly. This is crucial for a secure installation. You'll want your Murphy bed to be safe and sturdy. Step 3. Assemble the frame. Follow the instructions in your Murphy bed kit carefully. Take your time and make sure all pieces are securely fastened. It's like a giant puzzle, but more rewarding. Now on to step 4. Attach the frame to the wall. With the help of a friend, lift the frame up and align it with your marked studs. Use your level to ensure it's perfectly straight. Then, drill the screws into the studs to secure the frame. Finally, step 5. Install the bed mechanism. This part can be a bit tricky, so refer closely to your instructions. Attach the mechanism to the frame and test it out. Make sure it folds up and down smoothly. And there you have it. A brand new Murphy bed ready to save space and add style to your home. Remember, take it step by step and don't rush. You'll be enjoying your multifunctional room in no time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY home improvement tips. Thanks for watching.